Hey everyone, still catching up on the videos. Today is, I don't even know what today is. It's February 19th, 18th? Oh man, I should figure that out. Yesterday, I finished up the show in Nashville, and I have a show here today, Wednesday, in the Dallas area, just northeast of Dallas. And so after the show last night, it was about 6 p.m. We were done filling up the van, and I had to do the 10-hour drive back to Dallas. So I got back at 5 a.m. and slept in a little bit. So I loaded the van, and I have the storage unit packed back up. Going to be a really simple show today. I'll explain it more as I get on site. But I have the rack with the X32 rack digital mixer. I'll use the iPad to control it. Inside of it is the Axie and digital wireless microphones. Basically what's happening is from 4 to 5 p.m. today, there is a keynote speaker who is being lavalier mic'd at the hotel, and they don't know if they can provide an output to the video cameras that are recording. So I'm gonna mic the keynote up so that the cameras can record. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. It should be really simple. Always just trying to get everyone to sound their best. So I gotta grab some lunch and let's hit the road. All right, so I'm only about 20 minutes from home, and I'm set up and ready to go. Running an iPad to control the X32. Keynote speaker. I have a headset on her and a handheld so that she can be introduced. We were going to try and use her lavalier mic to go into the house system, but there's no control on it, so all you have is volume, and it's always right on the edge of feedback. So I'm going to send my signal to their speaker on a stick, as well as to a video camera which is being recorded. And then I'm also recording it on a USB drive down on the X32 rack. So this should be awesome. She's a former fighter pilot, and she has a story to tell. And so this should be really fascinating. Start in 6 minutes. I got to get to work.
Operation Iraqi Freedom has been underway for about 3 weeks. And I'm an A-10 pilot assigned to the 75th Expeditionary Fighter Squadron. On this day, like every day of my deployment, I'm meticulously planning aircraft literally just stacked up around Baghdad, waiting for the call, waiting to be able to respond. But we can't see the ground below, and we know that we have to be prepared for an unknown mission, unknown conditions. Stories. I knew about their experiences. So while those pilots were with me that day over Baghdad, their stories were. Helps everyone else perform better because they can learn from us. So those stories are absolutely critical for me and helping me get home from Baghdad. Kind of like going from a rotary phone to a new smartphone to my young airmen to make a tough call. So there's a wide range of things you can do. That's obviously extreme. Yes. Absolutely, and sometimes as a leader, we gotta make the tough calls. That is a hard thing to do.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Anyone else?
So I always tell people the best thing about flying the A-10 is shooting the gun. The very